Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Mass gas explosions were not intentional, NTSB chairman says. There's no evidence to suggest the gas explosions that rocked communities north of Boston were international, a federal investigator said Saturday. As federal officials opened their investigation into Thursday's disaster, National Transportation Safety Board Chairman Robert said that there does not appear to be anything nefarious, anything suspicious, anything internal, he said. He said investigators will be back working to develop a timeline going back at least 3 weeks, including reviewing any reports of gas odors reported by residents in the impacted communities of Lawrence, North Andover, and Andover. Investigators will also look at how local Columbia Gas officials responded to a pressure increase in the Lawrence area that was detected at the company's pipeline control center in Columbia, Ohio, prior to the explosions and fires. Robert said NTSB investigators expect to be on site up to 10 days, but a final report about what happened could take up to 2 years to complete. The dramatic series of explosions and fires Thursday destroyed or damaged dozens of homes, killed a teenager, injured dozens, and forced thousands of people to evacuate from the 3 Merrimack Valley communities. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker declared a state of emergency for the area and put Eversource Energy, another utility, in charge of recovery efforts after state and local officials said they were unsatisfied with Columbia Gas response. Company President Stephen Bryant defended his company's performance Friday, saying it had more than 300 workers and contractors responding, with another 100 on the way. Meanwhile, a report of a strong gas odor brought officials back to a part of Lawrence most impacted by the explosions and fires Saturday morning. Firefighters and gas workers opened manholes, tested gas levels, and tried to gain access to businesses on the city's south side, but the situation appeared to be contained by 11:15 a.m. Local officials also warned about donation scammers. They said some residents in Lawrence and Andover have received calls from individuals falsely claiming they're collecting donations on behalf of a local firefighters association for the disaster. And they had a press conference not too long ago, and the governor said they can come back to their homes today. And let me find part of that press conference to play for you guys. Hold on. Here we go for the press conference. Take a listen.
Morning. Well, good morning. Since last night, our outstanding team of first responders and utility resources have been working tirelessly to complete Phase 1 of our recovery efforts here in the Merrimack Valley. We're pleased to report that they have made tremendous progress, and residents in North Andover, and Lawrence may return to their homes. Phase 1 of this recovery effort contained 2 steps.
Okay, as you heard, he said residents can return to their homes. And that is very good news. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.